measuring cup of water, and a big spoon. Put your water in your measuring cup. Dump it in. Whoa, that was fun. Now, with your measuring cup, put your cornstarch in it. Be careful. Now we got our cornstarch. Dum 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 dum. The cornstarch song. Cornstarch. Now we get more cornstarch. More cornstarch. Dump it in. Dump, 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 dumpity dump. Dump it in. Dump it in. Now you mix it. Wow, this is fun. Let's put colors. Colors, colors. What color do you have?
Blue.
Wow. Blue, blue color, where are you? Here I am, mixing you. More cornstarch, if it's not slimy enough. Just so you know, kids, we're making oobleck. If you hit it really hard, oh my God, this is the coolest thing ever. It's so watery, but we can make it very hard. Look. Whoa, I can't get it out. This is so fun. If you put your hand lightly in, it sinks. Whoa. But if you hit it really hard, nothing happens. See, it doesn't go down. Whoa! Aqua color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Wow, this is really fun. Throw a baby pumpkin on it. Bouncy.